Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a video tutorial on HMI language conversion. We'll go by it step by step. So these are the steps which we'll follow for HMI language conversion. First I'll show you how do we create a TI portal project and add an HMI device. Second we'll see all the languages which are available. Third we'll see the language change procedure. Fourth we'll see one more type of language change procedure which is easier, that is import export of project text, and lastly we'll simulate the HMI and see how does it actually work. So let's get started. So here I have already created an HMI language change project in which I have taken a basic HMI. For those who don't know how to add an HMI to a project, I'll show it to you. Double click on add new device, click on HMI. All the list of available HMI panels. From the drop down list, you can select the HMI as per your project and then click OK. So first we'll see all the languages which are available and supported by our HMI. So go to language and resources, double click on project languages. Here you will see all the list of languages available and supported by our HMI. For this tutorial I have taken 3 languages as an example: English, German and Italian. English has been set as the default language. So moving on, I'll show you a sample screen which I've created for this tutorial. So in this screen I've taken one alarm window, one start button, one button, and then the user text entered on it is start, then language text and a button to switch between languages. So on this button, when you go to properties, events and press, you will see I have selected the command set language, and in the column I have selected toggle. So this button will help us to toggle between all the languages which we have selected via this list. So right now we have selected 3 languages as I have told you. So that button will toggle between 3 languages, that is English, German and Italian. So why this tutorial is needed is basically when you see the start this button which we have taken on the HMI, it can be used for any purpose. So the text written on this will be user text, that is entered by the user. And secondly, the why I have taken alarm window on this example is this, like you see, as we can see the headers of the columns such as number, time, date and text, these are created by the project. So these are the project text. So to show you example, the project text are automatically converted when we switch the language. But the text which is entered by the user, for example start in this screen or language, is not converted automatically. For this we have to manually enter what we want to see in German language or in Italian language as per this project. So where do we enter it and how do we do it? So let's see that. In language and resources, go to project text. So here you see number of columns. The first 3 columns represent language columns. So as you can see, English, Germany and Italian. So when I scroll down, you see all the text which is included in the project appear here, and in all the language columns you can see the text. Or for example, if you check this at authorization, this is a project text that is not generated by the user. So it has been automatically converted to all the respective languages. But for the start button, as you can see here, the start text, this or this, I have manually entered. So for your better understanding, for example, start and German and start Italian. So this is the text which I want to see when I convert the language from English to Germany, and this is the text I want to see when I convert the language from English to Italian or German to Italian. So I'll just do one small thing. I'll just make this a little bigger so you will be able to see, and then I'll save the project. So I'll click on HMI and go to simulation, so you'll understand what I'm exactly trying to say out here. So I'll keep the project text handy so we can easily compare and observe, so which will be useful for better understanding. So okay, as you can see, the HMI runtime has started. So please see here, start in English, start German in German, start Italian in Italian language. So right now the language is English. When I click on this, as you can see, it has become to start German. When I click on it again, start Italian, and when I click on it again back to English. So as you can see, for the user text, what you enter for the particular language corresponding to that text will appear on the screen. So if you have noticed one thing, that on the alarm window, the text on the header of the columns is automatically changing. We did not do anything to that. So only the conversion needed is for the user text which we have entered, that is the text entered by the user or the programmer who is doing the programming. All the standard or the project text, such as you can see the format of the date as well, that changes automatically. So only the thing which we have to do is to change the user text. So there are one more option by means of which we can do it. Instead of entering the text manually in the project, we can do another thing. As you can see, two buttons out here. One is import project text, export project text. So I'll click on export. I'll select the source language as English, target language as German, and select by category. I'll select all the text and system text as well. And system text are not needed maybe right now. And I'll export it to the location. Yes. So as export has been done successfully, we'll go and check the exported file. So okay, as you can see, this is the exported file, and as you can see here, all the text from the column of English and Germany have been exported to an Excel file. What you can do is, you can easily change here. You save this file, close it, go to the project, import that file, import source languages. So when the import has been done successfully, as you can see here, now what text you have entered in the Excel sheet, we have imported here, and maybe again we can start the runtime. So this comes in help when when the end customer wants HMI display to be in different language. What you can do is simply, as we have done here, simply you open the project text, export the file, give it to him for conversion, and when it is done, you import that file. So all the things which he has converted, you can directly import, and it is ready to go. So as we have done here, I'll just switch the language to German. See, then to Italian we have not changed, so it will remain the same. And again back to English. So this is a very simple procedure, but a very useful one. Hope we have gained some knowledge with this tutorial, and I hope it will be useful to you for any upcoming projects. For any doubts, you may contact. Thank you.